Hello everyone, so as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a review of the James Charles and Morphe Unleash Your Inner Artist eyeshadow palette. So I obviously done all my face makeup first, all of that will be linked in the description down below. I also prime my eyes as I usually do. James recommends to use a primer. For this, I use the Zoeva Eyeshadow Fix. For look 1, I clearly went for the classic orangey red smoky look. Firstly, I took the Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe and put Silk Cream and MFEO through my crease. I then took the shade B from the James palette and put that through the crease. I took it on an R38 Morphe brush. On an angled brush, I then took You're Kidding and put that in a wing shape across my eye and eyelid. I then decided to take a more dense packing brush to build the colour up with You're Kidding as well. Next, I took Rusted on a smaller blending brush and blended the edges. I then took a flat concealer brush and created a spotlight shape with a concealer. I then took ring light on a flat brush and packed that on the centre of my eyelid as well as my inner corner. I then blended that out a little bit with the shade Rusted again. Then, on a Morphe R43 brush, I took the shade Spooky and done a smoky liner. The lower lash line, I took You're Kidding on a smaller blending brush and then the shade B to blend it out. I used the e.l.f. Pro blending brush for this too. For lashes, I took the Isla Accents. I then applied Maybelline Great Lash to my top and bottom lashes. Finally, for lips, I took the Maybelline Colour Drama lip paint in the shade Stripped Down. Look 2, I stepped more out of my comfort zone with pinks and purples, and I'm so happy with how this turned out. Once again, I used the Zoeva Eyeshadow Fix Primer. I then took Skip on a dense fluffy brush and took that through the crease. I then blended that out with the Morphe R40. Then I took Love That on the outer and inner corner using both a packing brush and the Morphe R38. For the lower lash line, I took Skip and Love That once again and dragged that along my lower lash line on a small, dense blending brush. With my ring finger, I then took Artistry and put that all over the eyelids. Once again, I took Ring Light and put that in my inner corner to highlight. The lashes, I used the Primark Define lashes. Once again, also using the Maybelline Great Lash for my top and bottom lashes. For lips, I used the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in Oh Put It On. Overall, this palette is amazing and I highly recommend it. It is so worth the price, even though it's not really that expensive. It's definitely more out of budget if you're used to more drugstore products. The one thing I did find, and I don't know if it is just because of the shades that I used, but I did find that it stained my eyelids. Even after I washed my face thoroughly and cleansed, it still left a pinky tint on my eyes, both on my eyelids and on my lower lash line. Other than that, it is an amazing palette. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!